So again, os.walk. This is a very powerful and it is a very useful method. So when you pass into a folder, it will return you all of the subfolders and all of the files in each of all of the subfolders here. The example is here. So when you pass into a picture folder, it will go into new folder, these folders, and return also all of the files in this folder and in the subfolders. Now I don't have anything. But if you pass this folder, it will go into all of these folders and the subfolders inside these, and all the files inside these folders and these subfolders. Okay, os.path. So this will return us the information of the path. And we'll also use shutil. And this module will help us, copy files and copy folders and move files and folders and remove folders. With these, we don't have to use Unix commands, to copy files, start from scratch. We don't have to do that. We just, call this copy or move, to do the work. And we'll use variables in this program. So we'll use two variables. One is the source folder. One is destination folder. So variables are those that we create to hold the data or information for the program to use. So we create a program, we need variables to hold this information. For this program, you don't have to use variable, but you better, and you better know. You have seen those programs that ask user to enter information, right? When people enter, they enter, they type in whatever, for example, their name and their age. So we need these variables to hold this information, right? Sometimes we need to convert. If they enter an age, we need to convert, what they type in into integer so that the program can use. Anyways, I will talk about variables today. And the program, what we will do. So first, we'll go through each and all of the subfolders and all of the files. And we check whether this destination and the source is the same file, if it is the same directory. If they are not, so we want to, check all of the files and find the file that we want to copy and then copy to the destination folder. So this is what we will do. Now we go to application folder and we click PyCharm here. We click it, okay? Now it will open this screen that we can create a Python project. See what we want to create. We just take all the default. And remember to choose Python interpreter that we installed, the most current version. Okay, and we click create. So when we create, the system will create us, everything that we need for a new program, for a new project. And what we will do is that we will right-click and add new Python file. So we'll call it copy file, okay? Oh. Copy file, okay. Copy files. Where's our... So first, we'll import libraries that we will use, right? OS and shutil. Where is it? So we'll use these libraries. Import OS, enter. Import shutil. So it's here. Double click it to move it there. Okay. Go back. Oh, move it up. Okay. Import these. And variables, we have two, right? One is the source folder, one is a destination folder here. So we'll have source folder equal to source folder is a string. Dest folder. This is a dest folder, right? Dest folder. This is source folder. S. Okay. Right? Remember here we have this. So the source folder is in pictures. Here, these two. And the destination folder is the new folder, right? Destination folder is in the new folder. Source folder is the pictures. Okay, so now the program. Okay. Step through all of the directories and subdirectories and files. Use os.walk. So we'll do for say root. You can give any name, subdir. You can give any name, and files. I will say files in os.walk. What we pass in, the source, right? Source full. I click enter. So we'll get the path of the root folder, and we'll compare it with the destination folder. So if they're the same, we don't need to copy, right? Say a path. s.path dot absolute path. So we want the current folder. Or okay, just use the root. You can use anything. I click enter. So we get the path of the root, and then we'll compare. If path tab not equal to this, enter. So if the path, that we go into, it doesn't equal to destination path, right? It's not the same. So we want to check all the files. So for files, for file name, let's say in files, all of these files. What we want to do, if file name end with. So we want to find the files with PNG, right? PNG file extension here. So we want to find these two files. If there are other files like text file, those things, we don't care. We just only want to copy these two files. Okay, end with PNG, right? Or end with .png. What we want to do, we want to copy. We want to use shu util dot copy. So here you can see we need these source and destination, right? Source is the is the path with the file name. So we need that, and the destination. Destination we have. Where do we want to copy it? The destination folder. So we have the dest folder. Where we want to, right? And then we want not only the source folder, but also with the file. How do we get that? So we get this. Say file with a path. What is it? We use os dot path dot join. See here, join, we can use the path and the paths, and we can use, path with a name. Okay, join. Join, we use the path. What is the path? It's the root. And the name is the file name. So here we, when we copy, imagine when we copy, we want to know which file to copy, and we can have different files with the same name, right? So we need a path here to join the path and the file name. So we need this actually. Command C, right? Command V. So the path plus name, and then we put in destination folder. Let's have a look. The root, okay, get this, and the path not equal to, okay, a file in files, okay, file name, we find the file name, the file name should end with, PNG, that is the file extension, and then we get the file with the path, and we pass into copy. Let's see. Okay, so how to run this? We'll use this, see, run this, see, run this name. Okay, let's see. Exit 0. Let's see whether the files are already copied. See, we have two files copied there. So before it's empty, remember?